Casa Custom offers built-in pantry solutions that can enhance both the functionality and aesthetic appeal of your room decor. Casa Custom understands every space is unique, and they provide customizable options to design built-in pantry that fits into your room. Built-in pantries by Casa Custom are designed to optimize space utilization, ensures efficient storage and organization, can be customized to preference and requirement. Casa Custom pays attention to aesthetics and seamlessly integrates the built-in pantry. Offer a variety of finishes and hardware options to match your desired style. This ensures that the built-in pantry becomes a cohesive part of your room decor. Casa Custom prioritizes quality craftsmanship in the built-in pantry designs. This ensures that your built-in pantry remains functional and visually appealing for years. Follow us and get more details.